Hey, Shopify store owners! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to import both smart collections and custom collections into your Shopify store using StoreRobo. Whether you're migrating from another platform, updating collection details, or restoring collections from a backup, this tutorial will help you import your collections smoothly and efficiently. Before we dive into the steps, let's quickly go over the two types of collections in Shopify. Smart collections, these are automated collections based on rules. For example, a products under $50 collection updates automatically whenever products meet the set criteria. Custom collections, these are manually curated collections from which you select specific products. They are often used for seasonal campaigns or special promotions. StoreRobo allows you to manage both types efficiently when importing collections, ensuring the correct rules and product associations are retained. Before importing, ensure your CSV file is formatted correctly to avoid errors. Here's a quick checklist to prepare your file. Organize columns, include essential columns such as ID, handle, title, rules or conditions, products, SEO data, and more. Verify column headers, ensure headers follow StoreRobo CSV format to prevent import issues. Check product association fields. For custom collections, ensure the product IDs or handles are accurate to link the right products. Remove formatting errors, numeric values should not contain commas or symbols, and text fields should be free of extra spaces or special characters. Date format, use Shopify's recommended date format for time-based filters like collection creation dates. If your store uses custom fields, you can export a sample CSV from StoreRobo to get the correct template with all the available columns. Now let's walk through the steps to import your collections using StoreRobo. Open the StoreRobo app in your Shopify store and navigate to the Import section. You can upload your CSV file by selecting it from your computer, providing a URL, or connecting an FTP profile if your file is hosted remotely. Once the file is selected, choose the delimiter used in the CSV. Typically, this will be a comma. If unsure, use the preview option to verify the file structure. StoreRobo will display a preview of the first few rows if the file is correctly formatted. If you see errors, double-check the headers and data formatting. Select Smart Collection or Custom Collection as the data type based on your importing file. StoreRobo can also automatically detect if the collection is smart or custom based on your file name. Now click on Upload. StoreRobo will automatically map your CSV file with the appropriate Shopify headers based on the headers in the CSV file. So, make sure to use the correct column headers. Enable the Update Collections option to avoid duplicates if you're updating existing collections. For smart collections, StoreRobo will import the rules or conditions used to create them, ensuring they function properly once imported. Schedule the import to run at a specific date and time or click Proceed to import immediately. As the import runs, new collections will be added to your Shopify store or existing ones will be updated. Once the import is complete, StoreRobo will email you a notification. You can review your collections in the Shopify admin to ensure everything looks as expected. And that's it. Now, you can import smart and custom collections into your Shopify store using StoreRobo. If this video was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below or contact our support team.